The 2026 Toyota Camry represents the next evolution of one of the world's most successful and trusted midsize sedans, blending proven reliability with modern design and advanced technology. Building on the fully redesigned ninth generation introduced earlier, the 2026 model continues Toyota's shift toward efficiency, comfort, and refined performance. The Camry remains a global product, with strong demand in North America, Asia, and the Middle East, where it is valued for durability, resale value, and low ownership costs. For 2026, the Toyota Camry is expected to continue as a hybrid-only lineup in several key markets, reflecting Toyota's long-term electrification strategy. Power comes from a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with Toyota's latest hybrid system, producing an estimated combined output of around 225 horsepower in front-wheel drive form, while all-wheel drive variants may offer slightly more. This setup delivers smooth acceleration, excellent fuel efficiency, and a quieter driving experience compared to previous generations. Fuel economy is expected to remain class-leading, with combined figures likely exceeding 50 miles per gallon in optimal conditions. Visually, the 2026 Toyota Camry carries forward its bold and modern styling, featuring a wide front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a sleek, fastback-inspired profile. Clean body lines and improved aerodynamics enhance both appearance and efficiency. Wheel designs and color options are expected to vary by trim, giving buyers a choice between sporty and more upscale looks. Inside, the Camry focuses heavily on comfort and technology. A large central touchscreen with Toyota's latest infotainment system comes standard, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital instrument cluster, upgraded materials, and improved sound insulation create a more premium cabin feel. Advanced safety features remain a priority, with Toyota Safety Sense included as standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Toyota Camry is expected to start around $28,000 to $30,000, with higher trims reaching into the mid-$30,000 range. With its efficient hybrid powertrain, modern design, and strong reputation for reliability, the 2026 Toyota Camry continues to be a smart and dependable choice for drivers seeking comfort, efficiency, and long-term value.